want to skip the Omnilux LED system entirely, the most proven non-light-based alternative is clinical microneedling or at-home dermarolling, closely followed by professional microcurrent therapy. Instead of projecting light onto your face, microneedling uses ultra-fine, medical-grade needles to create microscopic channels in the top layer of the skin. What's biology? Your body perceives these microscopic channels as micro-injuries. It immediately initiates a natural wound healing cascade, rushing fresh, oxygenated blood to the face and triggering a massive burst of type 1 collagen and elastin production to repair the tissue. Why it is better than LED for over 40. LED masks only provide temporary superficial plumping. Microneedling physically remodels structural skin tissue, making it vastly more effective at fading deep post-acne dark spots, smoothing rough textures, and tightening sagging skin. The product absorption bonus. Clinical studies show that microneedling increases topical skincare absorption by up to 66%. This means when you perform your gentle oil cleanse and apply your vitamin C serum and black seed oil after treatment, those nourishing plant nutrients penetrate directly into the deep dermal layers where they can work. Now let's go over how to use it safely. You can visit a licensed esthetician for a monthly professional treatment or use a high-quality at-home derma roller once every 4 to 6 weeks on clean skin. If the idea of tiny needles does not appeal to you, microcurrent therapy is a non-invasive, non-light option that uses low-level electrical currents that mirror your body's own natural electrical field. Here's the biology. Microcurrent bypasses the skin surface and targets the underlying facial muscles that begin to sag after 40. The current stimulates the production of ATP, or what's known as adenosine, triphosphate, the chemical fuel that drives cellular energy by up to 500%. Why it is better than LED for over 40. LED systems only target skin cells. Microcurrent acts like a gym workout for your face, physically lifting the eyebrows, defining the jawline, and contouring the cheekbones by re-educating drooping muscle tissue. Clinical trials verify up to a 21% reduction in facial wrinkles using microcurrent alone. And this is how you can use it safely. This can be done at home using trusted non-LED devices like the NuFace Trinity Plus or Zip Halo. It uses a cooling conductive gel and takes only 5 minutes a day. 3. The Holistic Sculptor product, Wildling Empress Stone Gua Sha. Why it works for over 40. While standard jade rollers are okay, this patented stone is designed specifically for lymphatic drainage and tension relief in mature skin. It has a unique comb edge that breaks up fascia adhesions, which is the sticky tissue that causes deep wrinkles and drains accumulated fluid that causes morning puffiness. This is the perfect companion to your black seed oil, and to use it safely, make sure after applying your oil, use the stone to glide upwards along your neck and jawline. The oil provides the necessary slip, so the stone glides without dragging your skin, manually pushing toxins toward your lymph nodes to be flushed away. By combining this non-stripping oil cleanse with a daily nutrient-dense green smoothie, you are addressing every major challenge that women over 40 faces, giving your body the exact cellular building blocks and topical shields that it needs for flawless, beautiful skin. One of the things that I like to do is to help me consider which facial will give me the best optimal result while avoiding skin barrier damage is to ask certain questions. So let's go over 3 critical questions to ask before your facial, whether you are designing a high-performance facial at home or booking a luxurious session at a professional spa center. 1. How does this facial treatment actively stimulate microcirculation and oxygenation without relying on aggressive skin-stripping acids? Why it matters. Many traditional anti-aging facials focus heavily on chemical peels or harsh exfoliation to force a temporary glow. For mature skin over 40, overexfoliation compromises an already thinning skin barrier. You want to ensure the routine prioritizes blood circulation through physical massage, gentle heat, or specialized tools to naturally flood the cells with nutrients rather than thinning the epidermis. 2. Are the topical serums and masks being used fully customized to treat post-treatment transepidermal water loss and hyperpigmentation? Why it matters. Mature and melanin-rich skin loses moisture to the air at a much faster rate. You need to confirm that after any deep cleansing or clay extraction, the facial transitions into a barrier repair sequence. Ask if they use water-based humectants like vitamin C, followed by pure, nutrient-dense occlusives like black seed oil or raw plant butters to trap the hydration deep inside the skin layers. 3. Will this treatment require any hidden downtime, and does it complement my current at-home active ingredients? Why it matters. If you are actively using skin-renewing treatments like retinoids or performing intense at-home masking, a spa treatment that adds unexpected clinical strength acids or deep microneedling can easily cause chemical irritation or flaking. Knowing the exact recovery protocol allows you to adjust your daily routine to prevent inflammation. To achieve a successful age-reversing facial experience, women over 40 must shift their focus from superficial skin stripping to deep cellular nourishment. The ultimate secret to youthful skin density, rapid cell renewal, and natural radiance is increased blood flow. The critical importance of blood flow. After 40, as we cross the age of 40, our cutaneous microvasculature, the microscopic network of blood vessels directly beneath the skin surface, naturally begins to weaken and thin out. This drop in microcirculation creates a major biological challenge. The nutrient deficit. When blood flow decreases, your skin cells are starved of oxygen and vital nutrients. This slows cellular regeneration, leading to a fatigued, dull, or ashen complexion. The collagen crash. Fibroblasts, the specialized cells responsible for producing structural collagen and elastin, require robust oxygenation to function. Without strong blood flow, collagen synthesis plummets, causing the skin to rapidly lose elasticity and sag. Toxic stagnation. Sluggish blood flow is tightly linked to poor lymphatic drainage. When fluid pools in the face, metabolic waste stagnation occurs, manifesting as chronic morning puffiness, stubborn hyperpigmentation, and inflammation. An effective facial treatment must actively stimulate blood circulation to force nutrients into the skin tissue and drain toxic waste out. 3 best methods to increase facial blood flow. To combat age-related circulation decline. Top-tier licensed estheticians at viral wellness studios such as New York's Lilyway Holistic Studio and SA Beauty Lab rely heavily on mechanical stimulation. These 3 highly effective focus methods can be performed either in a luxury spa or replicated in your own bathroom. Manual lymphatic drainage and myofascial massage. How it works. A licensed esthetician uses light rhythmic pressure to trace the specific pathways of your lymphatic system, sweeping from the center of the face outward to the ears and down the neck toward the collarbone. The home alternative. You can perform an at-home version daily. Apply a few drops of pure black seed oil to give your fingers slip, and use your knuckles to gently sweep upward and outward along your jawline and cheekbones. This manual friction instantly dilates blood vessels, bringing a rush of fresh oxygenated blood to the surface while depuffing fluid buildup. Specialized gua sha stone. Therapy. How it works. Spas utilize smooth, contoured crystal or jade stones pressed flat against the skin at a 15-degree angle. The stone is stroked along the facial contours to break up deep muscle tension and fascial adhesions. The home alternative. This is highly accessible at home. After your morning oil cleanse in rosewater tone, apply a generous base of oil or a thick plant butter. Use a high-quality Wildling Empress gua sha stone to glide firmly up the neck and out across the cheeks. This targeted scraping creates a safe, deep hyperemia, an intentional pooling of blood that delivers systemic repair factors straight to underlying wrinkles. Controlled herbal facial steaming. How it works. Professional estheticians use specialized ultrafine misting devices to envelop the face in warm, continuous humidity right before a deep clay cleanse or extraction process. The home alternative. Bring 3 to 4 cups of spring water to a boil, turn off the stove, and drop in a handful of loose-leaf camomiles or rose petals. Drape a towel over your head and rest your face 10 to 12 inches above the water for 3 to 5 minutes maximum. The gentle, ambient heat forces local vasodilation, instantly widening your facial blood capillaries to skyrocket circulation while softening dead skin cells. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out more beauty routine courses, shorts, take the short quiz. Share this and leave a comment below with your favorite green smoothie. Let's get the conversation started in the community posts. Remember to glow smarter and glow brighter. I'll see you in the next video.
You know, you are standing in front of the bathroom mirror and you are holding that heavy, incredibly expensive luxury night cream.
Oh yeah, we've all been there.
Right, and you massage it in, doing the exact same routine that gave you this flawless, bouncy glow in your 20s and 30s.
But now it doesn't work the same way.
Exactly. Lately, by midday, your skin is inexplicably tight or dull or even taking on this sort of ashen look.
And you haven't changed the products, so naturally you assume you were doing something wrong.
But you aren't doing anything wrong. Your biology has simply changed.
Completely changed.
Putting heavy surface creams on mature skin over 40 is, well, it's like trying to run the newest software on older hardware. It's just going to crash.
Yeah.
It might look shiny for about an hour, but the system isn't going to run.
It is an incredibly frustrating realization. You hit your 40s, and suddenly the physical rules of your own face just seem to rewrite themselves overnight.
Okay, let's unpack this. Today, we are deep diving into the gut-skin axis.
Yes, the internal engine.
We are looking at the hidden microplumbing of your face and why that 20-something routine is now mathematically obsolete.
Because it really is obsolete.
Right.